Hi, this is Nissim. This is a series of quick tips of how to work with Comfy. This tip is about how to centralize and center everything in the viewport. Usually you have here on the bottom right this button of Fit View. If you click on it, you will center, meaning that if I am now zoom on something and I click on it, you will just center to the screen. If something specifically selected and you click on it, also it will take the focus on it and zoom it, so it will be easier for you to do it. Instead of using this mouse here, you can just select something and press on dot, and you just focus on it, click outside, it will focus from outside, so it's very convenient. If you will select everything and you click on the same button, so it's the same, like everything is selected or nothing selected. Okay, this is if you are now in this situation that you are far away, just click dot and you center everything. Okay, that was a quick tip about the how to centralize the view. Thank you very much. Like, subscribe, and see you in the next tip. Bye.